Welcome back to Motion RC. Today we have the Skynetic Huntsman assembly. First thing we need to do is get this thing out of the box and start our assembly. So let's get it out. Here's the first step, is getting this beautiful wing. The Huntsman has a fantastic orange paint job, going to be super easy to see up in the air. Next piece coming out is going to be our rudder. This is a fixed rudder. It is not actually a channel on this airplane. Now we have the fuselage. Very interesting to see a black foamy. Not a color often done, but black and orange sure look good together. Now we've got the elevator. The elevator does have a very interesting design on this, which we'll be showing you in the assembly. It also is including the battery and the charger in your Huntsman kit. So we'll go and get those pulled out. It is an Admiral branded charger. Like I said, they are included 2S LiPo battery. And this is the ready to fly version. So this version is going to come with the Bancroft controller. It's simple as putting your 2 sticks in, adding your 4 AA's. Alright, now you have your parts and pieces bags. It's going to have your springs, your propellers, your adapters, and the tools to put this together with. And that gets everything out of the box. Go on and take and make sure you don't have anything left before discarding. Tech specs for the Huntsman. It has a wingspan of 1100 millimeters, a length of 730 millimeters. The motor is 2S brushless outrunner. The propeller is a 2-blade pusher style. The ESC is an integrated ESC built into the wing. Servos are 3 9-gram standard servos. Comes with that 4-channel Bancroft radio. And it comes with a 2S 7.4 volt 1100 milliamp LiPo. First step in our assembly for the Huntsman is going to be to screw the elevator on. It is held on with 1 screw from the top that you will insert like this. Next we need to plug in our elevator servo, yellow to white. Servos have all been standardized, so you're always going to either plug yellow to yellow, white to white, or white to yellow. And then go on and push that down on the inside. Now we're going to be installing our springs on. This is a interesting little mechanism that we're going to be trying out on here that lets the tail go up and down. It's supposed to be some sort of a auto leveling feature. Alright, next we're going to take and put our rudder on. It's simple as sliding the rudder in, then turning the airplane over, and putting the 1 screw in from the top. For this next step, let's make sure we leave the propeller off of the airplane. We do not want to use it. Flip your wing up, and there's going to be 3 wires coming from the motor. We're going to take and plug those into the 3 wires from the ESC. No order to these, just plug them in. We're going to test it to see which way the motor runs momentarily. Now get your servo wire. We're going to run that up to the front of the airplane where the receiver is. Now we're going to take our wire and plug that into the open channel on our receiver for the ailerons. Remember, we still want the propeller turned off. What we're going to be checking for now is that we have a clockwise rotation looking at the front of the motor from the back when we fire this up. So let's turn our transmitter on at this point and plug our battery in. Now we can give a quick control check around the airplane. Make sure our ailerons work. Our elevator works. Alright. Now when we fire up the motor, we want to make sure it spins clockwise. If your motor spins the wrong way, take any of the 2 3 wires down here and swap them with each other. Alright, now that we know everything's working correctly, let's get the wings screwed on. There are 3 screws. The kit does come with a provided Allen key, but if you have your Bancroft or your Benchcraft screwdriver set, you can always use it also like we are. Alright, now that we've tested everything, go on and unplug the model and let's get the propeller built for the airplane. Remember, the numbers on the propeller always face towards the front of the airplane. Being that this is a pusher, you're going to put them on the opposite direction of normal. Slide this on. Find something that can fit in the little hole and hold the propeller while you tighten it up. And that completes the assembly of the Huntsman. Plane comes out of the box with a very beautiful finish on it. As you can see, the orange colors are beautiful. Going to be real easy to see this airplane in the sky. Remember, if you're new to Motion RC, whether it be land, sea, or air, we have something for everyone here. Make sure you check us out over on Facebook and our customer community. And if you're new here to the YouTube channel, think about hitting that subscribe button and checking out all the latest content and our new products from Motion RC. Can't wait to get this little Huntsman out and fly it. Hopefully this build and assembly has helped you guys get yours up in the air.